Welcome everyone. So let's unbox this PORTRONICS multitask dock. It's an Mport with model number Mport 11C. It's in such a packing. It's a Type C dock by multi-port USB hub. It comes in such a packing. It comes with 1 year design. It comes 1 year warranty. So it comes in such a packing. It comes in such a metallic grey color. So you can see. So let's start this at Type C. So you can connect to mostly to the MacBooks and the latest other high-end laptops. So you get 3 USB 3.0 and one 2.0 slot on one side. Next side you get RJ45 Ethernet cable connection, a VGA video cable connection, HDMI mic. This is a HD memory card or micro memory card, 3.5 mm jack, and this is another Type C to connect the power cable to this. So I got this from Amazon for about 2,500. I think it was best among the thing with multiple ports, so I got this. The links will be in the description box. Thank you.